Welcome to our channel SS Tutorial Hub. Today I will show you few interesting features of MS Word. Let's start with feature 1. How to insert emoticon in MS Word. First you have to type Unicode Namaste emoji. Then press Alt X. Wow, it's working. Let's try another Unicode. Again press Alt X. If you really feel excited to use these features, click on the given link. You will get complete chart of Unicode for emoticon. Next, feature 2. How to write a auto paragraph using a simple function in MS Word. You need to type equals to RAND parenthesis open close. Then press enter. Now feature 3. How to restrict document from further changes. First you have to click on Review tab. Then select Restrict Editing. Mark both the option as Formatting Restriction and Editing Restriction. Then finally click on Yes, start enforcing protection. Now enter your password. And press OK. Now your document is completely protected from any further changes. To remove protection, you need to click on Stop Protection. Then re-enter your password and press OK. Feature 4. How to insert horizontal line in your document. You need to type underscore 3 times without giving a space. Then press enter and see how it's work. You can try it by using stars and equals to as well. The last features of this video is how to add commercially used symbol in MS Word. For copyright symbol, write C within bracket and symbol will appear automatically. Same way to add register trademark, use R within bracket. It will appear. For trademark, use TM within bracket. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.